Okay, we have done the northeast of the United States. We have done the southern tip of Australia. One more place. We've done 44 degrees at the northern hemisphere, 44 degrees at the southern hemisphere. Now, where do you think we're going? Do you know what this is? Can you read Portuguese? Can you take a guess? This is in Brazil, right at the equator at 0 degrees. Okay. And this is a monument that is right on the equator. This is the equator. This is the southern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere. You can literally stand with one foot on each hemisphere at the same time. That's what these pictures, random people are doing. Okay. So this is where we're going to collect our data from next. First, you're going to use gizmos just like you've been doing. You're going to go into the description tab, keep 23.5, and you're going to set the latitude to 0. We've done 44 degrees north, 44 degrees south. Now we're doing 0. Okay? That should seem familiar. Once you're at the description, you go into the graph, you're setting up the sim speed like you did for Australia, and you're going to let it make your graph, the two graphs. And then you're going to take a screenshot, okay, and answer the questions for daylight and for solar energy. Then, for the next one, you're going to take this information that you gathered from solar energy and put it into a data table, a paper data table. So at this point, you're going to go get the paper data table that's in the bin where learning logs are, and use this. The first thing you're going to do is use this screenshot to fill out this row. Right? You should have gotten the solar energy for each of those months from this graph. The graph that I made quickly for you. Read the solar energy for each month and fill it out. Okay? Then this is the slideshow you're going to have. Then, once you fill that out, you're going to predict, using what you saw from the solar energy, okay, which months do you predict will have the highest altitude? That means at midday the sun is highest in the sky. And which ones do you think will have the lowest? You're going to predict that. Then you're going to go into Gizmos and collect the data. Okay. You're going to click the Gizmos link. I'll try to remember to put it in the slideshow. But you're going to click the Gizmos link. You've already done this. You're now going to go to a new tab. You're going to go to Shadows. But we're only using shadows for this box, altitude. You're now going to take the sim speed and put it at its lowest. And you're going to do what we did before with this, where we're going to move this thing to January 21st. Okay, so checking with these dates, we can move this. Remember, if you can't move this, you reset it, right? But I'm at January 21st. Now I'm going to hit play. I'm going to wait for the altitude. Go, go, go. Up. It went as high as it could, and now it's coming back down. So back it up again. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Oh, it's coming back down. Okay. It's at the highest it got. It's 70 degrees. So on my chart, midday altitude, 70 degrees. Okay. Now I can reset it. I'm going to drag it to February 21st. And I'm going to do the same thing. Get the altitude. Collect all those altitudes. When you're done, answer the two questions. Okay? That's the data collection for this. And then finally, coming back to this chart, which ones do you think go where? Just like we did for the Northern Hemisphere. But as you're looking at your data, it might be a little confusing. You may, like in the other two, we had 2 dates on the B. It's possible we don't use one of these arcs. Which ones do you think we should use? And where do those dates go? Okay? That's it. Good luck. Have fun.